Hi dear doctors, welcome to 𝗖𝗵𝗵𝗺. Welcome to the classes where we are starting with immunology. Now in immunology, this is our introductory video and here we will discuss what all topics are we going to cover in immunology. Myself, Dr. 𝗵𝗵𝗺, and I am your microbiology faculty. So in immunology, first of all, we will discuss the difference between innate immunity and acquired immunity. Next, we'll go to the different antigens and antibody. What are antigens, antibody, and the related stuff we'll cover. Next, we'll have the antigen-antibody reaction. Alright, so we'll discuss the antigen and antibody reactions. And in this video only, we'll cover the ELISA also. Then we'll focus on to the complement system, different organs and cells. So basically, we are going to discuss about the structure of immune system of our body. Right, structure of immune system of our body we'll discuss. After that, the next topic will be CMI versus HMI, that is cell-mediated immunity versus the humoral mediated immunity. Then we will have the discussion on the topic primary versus secondary immunity. So what is the difference between primary and secondary immunity we'll discuss. Then we'll move on to the interleukins and functional assays. I know that the topic itself is not very difficult, but the retention of this topic is difficult, so I'll make sure that you retain it for a good period of time. So we'll discuss the interleukins and the functional assays also. Next comes to the autoimmunity and hypersensitivity. So autoimmunity and hypersensitivity are going to be the next topics. Lastly, we'll discuss the immunodeficiency disorders. My dear friends, you're preparing for any exam. Immunodeficiency disorders are the most important ones. So please don't even think that you will not watch this video and score well in your exam, because immunodeficiency disorders are really very important. Then in the end, we'll discuss the HLAs. What is HLA? That is human leukocyte antigen. Alright, and then coming on to the last topic, actually it's a miscellaneous topic. Earlier we used to consider it as the part of microbiology, but nowadays pathology and microbiology are having an overlap of it, but still I'll teach you as the cancer and different vaccines and the immunology related to both of them. So thank you so much for attending the introductory video, and I'll see you in the main video number 1 of immunology. Thank you.